Hey guys, Matthew here. This video is a little bit different than my normal videos about technology. Because of certain circumstances, I decided I would make a video on how to make a face mask with a handkerchief or a bandana or a cloth napkin using hair ties and those with no sewing or punching holes or anything like that. I know there's videos out there and there's a website and all that, and my girlfriend actually sent me a link and it kind of showed me step by step with pictures and all that, but it wasn't a video, and so I decided I'd make a video because right now it's very important that we cover our face. So let's go ahead and begin. All you need are some hair ties right here, and a handkerchief, bandana, cloth, napkins, anything like that. I went to Target and I got some handkerchiefs because that's all they had. But I would definitely say with the hair ties, you're gonna want a bottle. Like I have a Yeti bottle here, and you're going to want to stretch them out. If you have used hair ties, that's fine. But I know, like me, I don't really have enough hair to have hair ties, so I went ahead and just got some. I know Target has these for $2.50, but I used the bottle to kind of stretch out the hair ties. So we'll just go from there, and I'll show you step by step how to make this face mask. Okay, so step one is to take your handkerchief, napkin, anything like that, and go ahead and spread it out all the way. So we'll spread it out like this. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bottom half of it and we're gonna kind of push it towards the middle. Depending on how far you want the mask up on your face, you can either do it all the way to the middle or you can do it slightly below. It doesn't matter as long as it's covering the bridge of your nose and the bottom of your chin. That's the most important thing, is covering the bridge of your nose and the bottom of the chin. So I'm going to put it kind of right here, and then you do the same with the top of the mask. So we'll go ahead and do it this way, just like that. So now we've got it like that. Now you can do it this way. So you're going to bring the bottom of that part up to where it met the very bottom of the cloth, and same with the top. There we go. And then you're going to take your band. Again, I'm going to take two of my bands here. Hopefully they're stretched out a bit. And we'll go ahead and take that, and we will put them on the ends here, like that, and like this. Okay, and we'll kind of put them somewhat close, like that, and then we will fold it just like this. Now I would fold it to where you can see kind of the ends like that. There we go. Again, the wider you have it, the more surface area it's going to cover. So this is the initial thing of it, kind of like that. So okay, so now that we have the mask made, what you do is you just put it right here, and again it's covering the bridge of my nose and the bottom of my chin. You put it like that. Now, the more you stretch out the hair tie, the better it'll be, because right now, like yesterday I tried this and the hair tie was brand new and it kept coming off because it was so tight. So the more you stretch it out, the looser the hair tie will be, which you don't want it super loose, but you want it to be able to stay on your face, but also give it kind of that tight seal. So again, bridge of your nose, bottom of your chin. So just a quick tutorial on how to make a homemade mask without sewing while using bandanas, handkerchiefs, cloth. With current circumstances, you want to be able to cover your face, use gloves, cover your face with a face mask or a homemade face mask, anything like that. Use soap and water when you're washing your hands, all that kind of stuff. We're trying to be able to flatten that curve and stop the spread. So if you have to go out, here's a great, cheap, easy way to make face masks without sewing. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick video, especially with how things are going right now. I know this isn't my normal, typical video on technology or anything like that, but I felt like this was a good how-to video, and hopefully you guys will think it's good too. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, not necessarily of this, but more technology videos, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I do post another video. I try to post at least once a week on Mondays. Thanks for watching, guys. Everybody stay safe. Peace.